Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review on this Karcher electric power washer. And I originally bought this just for washing cars. I have several vehicles, so it's nice to have something like this to kind of do quick car washing. This one is rated at 1700 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. And like I said, it's all electric. It has a couple of accessories that come with it. You get a turbo nozzle. This is nice for cleaning the wheels. Then you have your 15-degree nozzle. That's for hosing the car off. I don't use this one, but there's also a soap nozzle. What I would recommend, though, if you're going to get this for car washing, is to pick up an accessory such as a foam cannon, and this will attach to the end of your pressure washer wand real easy, and I can show you how that works. But basically, one thing I like about this setup, it's a nice compact design. It's easy to store in the garage. It's on wheels, so you can roll it around. Plugs into the wall. It's got its own circuit breaker in here. Plug it into the garden hose for your water source. And then up front, it's got a foot pedal, so you just press that to turn the machine on. The other thing I like about this is the pump doesn't stay running the whole entire time. The pump only runs when you pull the trigger and start to spray the water. And as soon as you release it, the pump turns itself off. So it'll cycle on and off as you need the water. So I think it's a really cool feature. So let's take a minute. I'll demo this on the Lambo and we'll give it a quick wash and show you how it works. Okay, so I did a quick rinse with the 15-degree nozzle and then I attached the foam cannon to it. So let me show you how that works. Foam cannon seems to be doing pretty good. All right, so I'm just going to switch out the nozzle and we'll do a quick demo on how to rinse. Okay, so I switched out to the 15-degree nozzle. We'll give it a quick rinse. All right, so there you go. That's about all I do to wash the car using that. I'd like it. So if you're interested in an electric power washer, take a look at this Karcher 1700 psi power washer.